Okay, so let's see what's going on in this position. On Chessable, there is this feature called Analysis Board. You can click on it, and every position that has, I think, 7 pieces or less has been analyzed to the end. So it's pre-computed, and it uses the thing called table bases. So table base can tell you exactly what the result of the position is. So let's try to play through the move King d5 and see what's wrong with it. So see, table base says this position is a draw. King b4. You see any move by white draws, so let's try to approach a pawn. Black keeps approaching our king. Let's go back to f6, king d5, king takes g6, let's say. Now he just changes course of action and he gets to our pawn. What's the difference? King d4, king c6, king e5, king d6, king f6, king d6. If he tries to approach our pawn, we're right in time to defend it. So the strategy in this endgame is to kind of like try to do 2 things at once. The first thing is to approach his pawn and win it, obviously. But the second objective is to also kick his king away from being able to approach our pawn, because that's the only way we're gonna win. We win if we win his pawn and preserve our pawn and make sure our pawn promotes as well. So king d4 is the only move that does that. Hopefully that answers your question.